Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. I'm sure that you have tried a lots of time to unlock your smartphone by the forgotten pin pattern or password lock, and still now you're not able to unlock your smartphone. You will have watched a lots of videos on the YouTube to unlock your smartphone, but there are some important tricks which updates every day. So this is the recent updated trick to unlock your smartphone. So watch this video till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely, because it's the updated method to unlock your smartphone. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery charge should not be less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever you have in your phone data may be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or you may also use your smartphone charger at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this method, then you may also take help of my next upcoming videos or older videos. And for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end only, then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network, Wi-Fi network, hotspot network should be closed. And for this there are a simple trick. Simply you will have to activate your phone's airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. Simply you will have to activate this. So how will you activate your phone's airplane mode? Simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this, and you will get a lots of keys here. You can see with me. Now you can see here there is a key of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. Simply you will have to activate this airplane mode key. Now after activating this, you can see here my phone's all the network has been switched off. It means my phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. But before going to the unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone, and the main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed before going to the master unlocking method, because it's most important to close all the background running application. Until you close all the background running application, your phone is not going to unlock with any method. Okay, so simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this, and you can see here there is an option of an emergency SOS option. Okay, simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will go to the new page, and this page is your phone's dialing pad page. You can see here. Now you will have to feed a special secret code. By this secret code you can close your phone's all the background running application without unlocking your phone okay, so this recent secret code what I'm going to give you, you can see with me, star has 777, then star 000, then star 8523, then hash. After feeding this number, you will have to call on this number at the first time. When you will call on this number, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. Simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again, you will have to call on this number 3 times continuously. After call on this number 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. It means now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. Now I am going to give you a special USSD code which will take your phone to the master unlocking method or engineer's mode method. And this USSD code, you will have to feed this USSD code in your dialing pad. So simply you will have to clear your call log like this. After clearing this call log, you will have to feed the number star hash 899 then hash. Now you can see here, after feeding this number star hash 899 hash, a new page has been appeared, and the page's name is after sales page. Now you can see here there are lots of options on this page. You can see with me. Now you will have to check here the software version option. Now you can see here that at the 5th number the option is showing here software version option. Simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will get a new page, and the page's name is software version page. You will get a lots of option on this page. You can see with me, the first option is showing here model number. It's your phone's model number. You don't have to click on it. Now you can see here the second option is showing here Android version. Okay, Now you will have to click on this Android version option 13 times, but if your phone is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this Android version option 12 times. So I will have to click here 13 times, but rapidly. Mark my word, you will have to click on this option rapidly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page and you will get another option of the manual test above the software version. You can see here, simply you will have to click on this manual test option, and when you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to a new page and the main page has been opened. You can see here this page name is engineers mode page. Okay, now you can see here there are also a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this and you will have to go with the option of other. Now you can see here at the end of the slide, the other option has been appeared on my phone display, and there are also a 5 type of option on this page. Now you can see here there is an option of a mainboard version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here database version, but both the option have the same function, so don't worry at all. Simply you will have to click on this mainboard version or database version 9 times rapidly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now the step has been done. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important log test. You can see with me there is an option of a read write important log test. Simply you will have to click on this read write important log test option, and at the first time when you will click on this read write important log test option, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel her. Again you will have to do the same second time and the third time, but at the fourth time when you will click on this read write important log test option, now the fourth time you will have to go with the OK option. And when you will go with the OK option, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. It means now your phone is going to unlock within 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, now the very last step I'm going to spell you out, and it's the most important step. Okay, so watch the video properly for the every step and follow the every step properly to unlock your smartphone. Otherwise your phone is not going to unlock and you will have to watch lots of videos on the YouTube to unlock your smartphone. Okay, so simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Okay, now you can see here device debugging option has been appeared on my phone display. You can see with me. Okay, now you can see here at the 6th number there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option. Simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option you will reach to a new page, and there are 3 type of options showing on your phone display. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 1 option or 2 options, so don't worry at all the option will be showing here. Operation not started. Simply you will have to start this operation by clicking on these options, and you will have to continue click on this option until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, now I am going to click on this option. You can see with me test has been started but test failed. The second option test has been started, test failed. The third option test has been started, but the third option you can see here showing me test passed message. It means my phone has been unlocked. Okay, now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. Now you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply I will click on this option to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So I am going to click on this option. Now you can see after clicking on this option, you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the applications which were in my smartphone when my phone was locked as it is as in my smartphone. So this trick really works, and if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make a comment which type of issues you are facing with your handset. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.